Hanabishi split type aircon cleaning done. Another satisfied client after a thorough aircon cleaning? Unit type, Hanabishi split type aircon. Activities: deep cleaning, indoor and outdoor unit. Tanggal ang molds. Hindi ka nais-nais na amoy. At para sa filters at fins para sa mas malamig at malinis na hangin. Regular cleaning helps prevent molds, removes bad odors, and keeps airflow smooth for better cooling performance. Message us now to book your next aircon cleaning. Mecca Frost Aircon and Refrigeration Services. Quality service. Guaranteed comfort.